spend the afternoon with me as a crochet business owner. So right now I'm on my way to town to get some yarn. I usually crochet in the matatu because it's almost an hour drive, so I might as well finish some project. This is a top that I've been working on. Check out my cute bag that I recently made out of a graph gun. So now this is me on my way back home. I got so many yarn and I'm out here looking so homeless. So I got local yarns. So I usually use these local yarns if I'm making something that like a sweater or a cover up that doesn't require that much of a fitting. Like this one I'll be making a cover up, and then this one I'll be making a sweater. And then I also got this super saver. So I got this super saver yarn. There's a shop before you get to our tools. I think it's like the 4th or the 5th shop before you get to our tools if you're coming from Cooperative Bank. So when I got to our tools at first, this super saver one was 800 shillings, and I was like, if I was buying it for myself, yes, but then at times you usually calculate if you're making it for a customer, you'll be going at a loss if you buy more, because if I was buying it at 800 and the place that I've bought it, I bought this one at 550, so that means I've saved like 250. I've saved almost like 500 shillings from this one. So that's why I usually and then so I usually use this yarn if I'm making things that require perfect fitting, like a bikini, bralette, a beanie. Like if I need something that requires perfect fitting and not so much stretching, I usually use this one. But then if it's something that I just need to be the size and doesn't stretch so much, I usually use the local yarns. So these are the ones that I got. So I first ate something and then I started working on the first project. So I started with the beanie. Usually start with the easier one. So I started with the beanie. A beanie usually takes me like 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, yeah. So that is what I worked on today, and I'll work on the others tomorrow. So bye bye.